you ever gazed up at the night sky, wondering where the sun goes when darkness falls? It's a question that has puzzled humans for centuries. From the earliest civilizations to modern times, people have been fascinated by the daily disappearance of the sun. Does it vanish completely? Or is there more to the story? Ancient astronomers spent countless nights observing the heavens, trying to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. They built elaborate observatories and developed complex theories to explain the movements of celestial bodies. Some believed the sun traveled to a hidden realm, while others thought it was swallowed by the night. The idea of a secret location where the sun retreats has a certain allure, doesn't it? Imagine a mystical valley, bathed in perpetual sunlight, hidden from the eyes of the world. But as enchanting as this notion is, the reality is even more fascinating. The truth, as with many things in the universe, is far more fascinating than magic. The sun doesn't actually go anywhere at night. It's always there, shining brightly, even when we can't see it. The reason lies in the intricate dance of our planet within the vast expanse of space. The sun rises and sets because of the Earth's rotation. As our planet spins on its axis, different parts of the world are exposed to the sun's light, creating the cycle of day and night. This rotation is what gives us the beautiful sunrises and sunsets we witness every day. Even when the sun is out of sight, it's still there, providing light and warmth to other parts of the world. It's a constant presence, a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the universe. Our planet, Earth, is in constant motion, spinning like a top in the vastness of space. This rotation is what gives us the cycle of day and night. As the Earth turns, different regions move into and out of the sun's light, creating the alternating periods of light and darkness we experience. This daily rotation is a fundamental aspect of our existence, influencing everything from our sleep patterns to the rhythms of nature. Plants and animals have adapted to this cycle, thriving in the predictable alternation of day and night. So while the sun doesn't pack its bags and head off for a good night's sleep, the reason we don't see it at night is all about perspective, motion, and the Earth's place in the solar system. Our planet's rotation and its orbit around the sun create the dynamic interplay of light and shadow that defines our days and nights. Let's delve deeper into the cosmic ballet that gives rise to day and night. By understanding the movements of our planet and its relationship with the sun, we can appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe we inhabit. Join us as we explore the wonders of the cosmos and uncover the mysteries of the celestial dance that shapes our world. Earth is constantly moving. It spins around an invisible line called an axis. Imagine a stick going through the Earth from the North Pole to the South Pole. That's the Earth's axis. This rotation is continuous and takes about 24 hours to complete one full spin. As the Earth rotates, different parts of the planet face the sun. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Earth's axis isn't perfectly straight up and down. It's tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, we experience summer. When it's tilted away, we have winter. As the Earth spins on its axis, only one side of the planet faces the sun at any given time. The side facing the sun experiences daylight. The side facing away from the sun experiences night. It's like playing hide and seek with the sun. Section 5. Shining Star. Unveiling the Sun's Secrets. The sun isn't just a source of light and warmth. It's a star, a giant ball of hot gas that produces energy through nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a process where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the process. This energy travels through space as light and heat, reaching Earth and making life possible. Section 6. The sun's energy, fueling our world. The sun's energy is essential for life on Earth. It provides the light necessary for plants to carry out photosynthesis, the process by which they convert sunlight into energy. This energy is then passed on to animals that eat the plants, and so on up the food chain. The sun's energy also drives our weather patterns, ocean currents, and climate. Section 7. Solar flares and sunspots. The sun's dramatic displays. The sun isn't a static object. It's a dynamic and active star. One of the most dramatic displays of solar activity is solar flares. These are sudden bursts of energy that release huge amounts of radiation into space. Sunspots, on the other hand, are cooler, darker areas on the sun's surface. They are caused by intense magnetic activity. Section 8. The sun's life cycle, a star's journey. The sun, our closest star, is a magnificent celestial body that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Its journey through the cosmos is a tale of creation, transformation, and eventual demise. Like all stars, the sun has a life cycle. This cycle is a complex process that spans billions of years, involving various stages of stellar evolution. It was born from a cloud of gas and dust billions of years ago and will eventually die. This cloud, known as a nebula, collapsed under its own gravity, igniting nuclear fusion at its core and giving birth to our sun. Don't worry, though. The sun is about halfway through its life cycle, so it has billions of years left to shine. Currently, it is in the stable phase of its life, known as the main sequence, where it has been for approximately 4.6 billion years. When it does eventually die, it will expand into a red giant, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. This dramatic transformation will mark the end of the sun's main sequence phase, leading to a period of immense change. Then, it will shrink down into a white dwarf, slowly cooling over trillions of years. This final stage will see the sun shedding its outer layers, leaving behind a dense core that will gradually fade away, becoming a faint, cold remnant of its former glory. Section 9. The sun's constant presence. A reassuring truth. So, the next time you watch the sunset and find yourself wondering where it goes at night, remember this. The sun never really leaves. It's always there, a constant presence in our solar system, even when hidden from our view. The sun is a steadfast companion, providing light and warmth to our planet. As the Earth rotates, it creates the illusion of the sun rising and setting. But in reality, the sun remains in its place, a glowing beacon in the vast expanse of space. The Earth's rotation may cause day and night, but the sun's light and energy are always with us, sustaining life and reminding us of the wonders of the universe. Every sunrise marks a new beginning, a fresh start filled with possibilities. The sun's rays touch every corner of our world, nurturing plants, warming oceans, and powering the cycles of life. So, as you witness the sun setting, take comfort in knowing that it will rise again, bringing with it the promise of a new day. The sun's journey is a reminder of the endless cycles of nature and the enduring beauty of our universe.